Hi my loves! Happy Thanksgiving! So for today, we are going to donate breast milk for the 3rd time.
Yay!
And we are going to add one more hospital in St. Mary's Hospital. And of course, the usual ANC. So magdodonate tayo ng breast milk doon. And of course, as a way of thanking our doctors who took care of us from pregnancy up to delivery and birth, may ibibigay din tayo sa kanila. So we have here for our OB. Our OB is Dr. Buransing. She took care of me even before getting pregnant. Siya na yung OB-GYN ko. Also, for Dylan's Pedia, may bibigay din tayo kay Dr. Apipa Dumato. And since ang nagpaanak talaga sa akin is si Doc Bado, may bibigay din tayo kay Doc Bado. And we also prepared something for their angels, yung mga secretary nila. So, ayun. And hopefully, ma-meet namin sila today. If not today, then we will give their gifts, you know, in the other days na lang din. So, ayun. That's our way of thanking them. So, happy Thanksgiving! Samahan niyo kami! Let's go! Thank you, Doc!
Thank you!
Nag-face na yun siya. Nag-face na siya, no?
Thank you!
Thank you so much. Nag-gift pagid mo.
Okay, so we're done giving gifts to Doc Buransing, our OB-GYN. And now we're here at Internist Hub for Doc Tomato, Dylan's Pedia. Kaso nung pinuntahan ko, she's out of clinic. So we're not sure if she's gonna come. Kaya next time na lang pag magpa-Rotavax na si Dylan at saka mag-wellness baby check. So for your reference, ito yung binigay namin sa doctors namin and with their secretary. Ito, so we have Little Bit Chocolates and Decant na Bath and Body Works perfume. And then also for our doctors here, bigyan namin sila ng 2 face mask. And then this one, Bath and Body Works perfume, favorite scent namin, and with our picture, oh, diba? May pamukha, and then some little dedication sa likod ng pictures. So yun, so we're now here at ANC to donate the breast milk, and we have a little gift for our ANC NICU nurses. These are all chocolates. So let's go! Say hi, baby Dylan!
Ganun kay kang mga busog na baby.